Hi there. Thanks for coming back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you who stops by to watch me learn how to pour paint. Today I'm not entirely sure what we're going to paint, but it's going to be fun and we're going to get started. Let's go. And since this doesn't seem to work as a cell activator, let's go ahead and put it on the bottom. I should do that this way. Oh, I don't know. Either way, I'm going to have something in the way, aren't I? Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, so this one I put my homemade teal or whatever you want to call it on the bottom, and look at all these beautiful cells that are showing up. Can you see those? I need to stretch it just a little bit and then it's going to be done. I just need a little down here in the corner. Slowly, slowly. Oh, and those colors just turned out beautifully. Oh, we're losing some over the edge there. All right, and let's go back to the middle. And then I think we need to get a little in this corner as well. So we'll get back to the middle. And then we'll go down. I don't want to lose those beautiful cells that are right there at the bottom, but I want to pull that into the corner. Or push it or something. I want it to move into the corner. A little bit. Okay. And now back into the center. Leave a little bit of that behind there. And now look, I think because I'm going over the edge everywhere else, I need to bring this a little bit down here so I get something going off the edge on this side. So I'm going to try and do it slowly. You know that patience is not my biggest virtue. I try. There we go. Let's come over in a couple of spots here. And I'll maybe just use some of this white to coax these spots off. That'll help them run a bit. I totally forgot to put my Lazy Susan down underneath everything today so I can spin it around and look at all the sides. But I also find that running a, you want it to run to the bottom, but you don't want it to just run off into nothingness. So if you scrape along the bottom every once in a while, that helps prevent that, at least until it stops moving a bit, right? Oh, those greens are spectacular, but wow, it looks really different from the other ones. Way more green, and they are a lot more blue-purple, and this is a lot more green, so I don't know. Might not make a set of 4. Might make 2 beautiful sets of 2. I'll have to do the other one in the same order as I did this one. And do the same flooding and blowing over. Okay, I'm gonna bring you down for a close-up, if I can.
Here are the close-ups. Wet results for these 2 tiles that I just...
I hate it when someone else's video interrupts my own. Some of those look like grays in the camera, but they're really not. They're really a nice blue. Some beautiful purples. Anyway, there you have it. So I've put a nice thick pillow cushion down, and I'm going to go in the same order as the last one, if I can remember what that order was. I'm pretty sure. I know I started with this color, and oh my gosh, the blooms are fabulous. I may have to turn this set of 4 into a set of 2, but I'm starting to think they're a little too big for coasters anyway, and may have to be trivets. So I think I might have mentioned earlier, or it was actually last night when I started filming these, that I got some art resin. But man, that stuff's expensive. I'm hoping that it's not the only thing that I can use to make these heat resistant. I'm hoping that I can find something that's a lot more cost effective, because I have a tendency of giving my giving my art away because I enjoy doing that. Even like my wreaths and stuff, right? Somebody will admire it, and I'll be at a show trying to sell them, and you know, if it doesn't sell, I'll give it to somebody who admired it. Or, you know, give them like a 60% off deal or something on it. Well, this has got a lot of paint on it. And then I put that dark purple on top. It's not really a super dark purple though, is it? Alrighty. We will flood. That should be good. I'll grab a relatively clean straw. Clean on the inside. I don't always get the outsides when I clean them. Bring you down for a close-up on this beauty. My goodness, look at those colors. I wish I knew the exact proportions that mix together of those colors to get that beautiful, beautiful deep purple, because I absolutely love that color. Well, tell me what you think in the comments. I'm looking forward to your reactions and really hope that you enjoyed watching this video of me learning how to pour paint. It was a lot of fun for me to make. I hope you have a fantastic day. Take care.